How to fix an error that is for security and performance. This mode of Windows only runs verified apps from the store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's video we will solve if you have an issue that says for security and performance this mode of Windows only runs verified apps from the store. So if you encounter that problem, here is how you can fix it. First of all, you have to go to your system information, click on the search icon and then search for system information. There you'll see that you have OS mode. Now once you have checked that, close this and then in the search icon search for activation settings. Now under activation settings, right under this page or this section, there you will have an option to switch your S mode to different windows such as Windows 11, 10, 10 Pro or other. So you can switch there. If that still does not help you, go to the apps from here and then go to advanced app settings. Once you're here, click on this drop down that says choose where to get apps. So from here, click on this drop down and then click on anywhere. Once you have done that, your problem might get solved. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.